Hello friends, welcome back to my channel PC Activities. And if you are new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button. And today I am going to unbox the new JBL Flip 6. Let's see what is inside it. Open it and see what are the hidden treasures. Compartment we find all goodies. See, here is the USB type C charging. Let's keep it aside. And here is manuals. Okay, let's keep it aside. Holding the Flip 6 in hand feels great excitement with the housing of rubber and fabric. Here is the minimize, maximize, pause, and it is the extra function. See, the JBL Party Boost means it connects one more such devices and gives a party vibe. And at the front, here is the icon of JBL, which looks very iconic. Some features given, which are written here: 12 hours of playtime, 1P67 waterproof and dustproof with JBL Party Boost, which I told earlier. Wonderful Bluetooth connecting system, which is a 5.1, and here both the woofers are of 20 watts and these two tweeters are of 10 watts, means it gives total 30 watts. To test the sound quality of this speaker, first let it on. I am connecting from here. The name I have already written. Now let's test. Third, the sound is excellent, very much prominent. And finally, its cost is 12,000 rupees. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more related videos.